In this video, you will learn how to add and edit text in Canva. For this, you can select our, have you seen this text? So we can select our own text, and here we can select on add heading, and here I can write the title of in this video. Let's suppose create thumbnail for video. In this way, you can add text in Canva, and if you want to change the font size, you can select from here to here, font name and font size from here. Thanks for watching this video. Other thing will be in the next video. Kindly subscribe the channel so that you can get notification for my videos.